In this video, I am going to show you how to turn a model into a mesh in Roblox Studio. First, make sure the model that you want to export is in your workspace. So for the sake of the tutorial, I'm just going to use a R15 model. So in the toolbox, I'll just type R15. So I'll just add the R15 dummy like so. And once that I have added the R15 dummy, you can see it as the model and it has been successfully added to our Explorer also like so. Now to save this model on your computer, just right click on your dummy on the workspace and just choose to save or export. Now you can save to file, export at OBJ or export as GITF. I'm just gonna go with export as OBJ. Now choose your file location. So I'm just gonna save it at my documents and name it like tutorial and hit enter. And now it has been successfully saved to our file explorer. Now open the game where you want to import the mesh. And let's say this is another game that I want to import my mesh into. So I'm just gonna show it here. So first let's confirm that it is saved. So let's go to file explorer and navigate to your folder. In my case, it was documents. So here you can see the tutorial OBJ has been successfully saved. Now in Roblox Studio, just press Ctrl I on your keyboard and search for mesh part. Just select the mesh part and you will see a mesh part will be successfully added like so. Now just go to the mesh part properties and under properties you will see mesh content. Just click on the file explorer icon on mesh content and navigate to the folder that we saved earlier. So just select your file and click on open and it is saying your mesh contains location data. Would you like to move your mesh into given location? I'm just gonna go with no and just click on OK. Just wait for it to load as it may take some time. And as you can see, we have successfully added our mesh. So I can just now move it and you will see we have successfully added our dummy. So we can even name it by just right clicking on it and renaming it to dummy2 like so. You now have a fully functional mesh based on your original model without needing any third-party software like Blender. And that's it. Turning models into meshes, Roblox is that simple. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.